This revision tutorial is going to cover decimal multiplication. Okay, in this question we've got 2.3 multiplied by 1.5. To do this, the first thing you need to be able to do is long multiplication, which you can watch a tutorial on in one of my other videos. Okay, to do this question, first thing we need to do is be able to identify how many decimal places there are in the question. As we can see in this, we've got 2.3, so there's one number after the decimal point there, multiplied by 1.5, which has got one number after the decimal point as well. Well, the question's got two numbers, so we add those there, two together. 1 plus 1 gets us 2. Our answer will have two decimal places, because we've got 2.3 and 1.5. So there's one number in each of those after the decimal point, which gives us a total of 2. Now, you just need to do long multiplication. So we're going to do 23 times 15. Okay, I'm going to use the traditional method. You could use the Chinese multiplication method, which there is a revision video on as well on my YouTube channel. So multiply by 5 first. So 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Add the 1's 11. Now I've got to multiply by 10. Okay, so I put 0 there, multiply by 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 2, 2. Add them together. I get 5, 4, and 3. So 345 is obviously not the right answer. I've got 2.3 times 1.5. So I'm probably going to be looking at a number around about 3, which I should have done a check on mentally in my head anyway. But let's go back up to this bit up here now. Remember, I've got one decimal place, another one number after the decimal point, which gives me a total of 2. So my answer should have 2. So I need to bring the decimal point, which is here at the minute in 345, back in one place, 2 places. So it's got to go in there. So my actual answer is 3.45. Let's try another one. Okay, in this question we've got 12.3 times 0.04. So how many decimal places have we got? So on the left hand side we've got 1. On the right hand side I've got a 0 and a 4, so we've got 2 there. What's the total? 3. So we're going to have 3 decimal places. Okay, same number of decimal places in the question as in the answer. Okay, so now we're going to forget about the decimal points, and I'm going to do 123 multiplied by 4. Easier multiplication this time. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8, add the 1's 9. 4 times 1 is 4. 492. Well, 492 is obviously not going to be the correct answer because I'm multiplying by a number less than 1. My answer has to have 3 decimal places, remember? So the decimal point's here at the minute. I'm going to bring it in there. It's 1, 2, 3. The decimal point is going to have to go all the way over there. So in this question, we've got 0.492 as our answer. Okay, so a quick recap. What do we have to remember? You look at the number of decimal places in each part of the question. You add them together. You just do a normal multiplication or long multiplication, and then you bring the decimal points back in. This only works, this little trick only works for long multiplication or multiplication. It does not work for division, and you don't use this trick with addition or subtraction. Only multiplication.